3, 2, 1, level up. The big V-Day. In today's video, I am doing a giveaway. I'm really not doing a giveaway. And I am all about. I'm just all about. I love it. So I was like, in for a penny, in for a pound. Do you know what I mean, hun? See me blowing up on TikTok, everyone. I'm not being funny, but oh my god, it's got 1,000 views. I can't find my charger. Oh my god. From and what's your favourite thing about your job? I'm gonna sneeze. That's a bit rogue. Wow, right. So discount code on top of, because often you can't put, you should just, you know, I don't know. So the standard High Smile kit is 6 treatments, which is 6, like you use it once a day for 6 days for the treatment. You use this once a, you use this again, which I like I said, I never. On Friday, it came out on Friday. It's now doing a what do? Like that. Oh, squeeze this cup so much. I said so far freak. 7 days a week. Oh dear. Hello. That which was it's just something that I got. It's gone. So you'd get like that banana bread. I keep getting this Durex advert, like please calm down. They're literally no, just don't put any of that in, okay? I think my favourite product at the moment. Woohoo! Good timing. Like, I don't know, take a trip to the beach. When have I ever taken a trip to the beach? I don't know, but I'm so sorry. Oh. And the one I was taking, the collagen, the skin. I can't talk today. I can't talk. For me, it feels like it's highly reactive. It's a highly white. So I'm reading from anything. It's that. It's really sinister, isn't it? It says it's. This ensures I have used a charcoal teeth to avoid it. That's the usually Dad said it. Oh my god, I keep spitting. Hey, it's a big deal. I was more of a sprinter, you know, these long legs. I just have to take 2 steps and I'm over the finish line. You know I'm not a high-end gal. Hair goals. And I have a warm fuzzy feeling in my tummy. So yeah. Oh god knows. Okay, so yeah. People, I don't want anyone up in my face. Duh! There have been tears this morning, people. Got a bit of shell stuck at the back of my tongue. I'm so sorry. So sorry you had to hear that. Little bit. I'm gonna be Rapunzel, completely dry, but generally that. Hey, first thing we're saying today, let's get going. Yeah, that's still a game. Oh god. Oh god. Hyaluronic acid. This is intense. Oh, jeez Louise. I'm a crook my jaw. Snowing? Ugh. Ugh. So I'm doing it.
Well, you're nice. You look very pretty.
Thank you. So I have a microphone here. Woohoo! Cut my armpit. It really hurt. Can you see? Yeah, look. Cricked my neck yesterday. I couldn't move. 20. I climbed every mountain. Okay, next. Looking out with me, oh.
It's tearing at my heart.
Too loud. Uncomfortably tight. You're so good, but so pricey. Is oh, I'm so tired. Should I be filming this? So sorry. In UK, oh, I love this. This is more complicated. I don't know what just came out of my mouth, but sorry, right. It's a nice sponsored review, and like you're getting told what to say.
One shot, two shot, three shot, four shot. I think that you need some more shots. Wait, holla. Take it to the mother dance floor. Tequila.
Snack. It's the evening now. It's an evening snack. It's a snack. Anyway. Mirror, mirror. Ah! Why do you hate me? The pain is crushing. Ow. I'm the clumsiest person. I'm the clumsiest person I know. It's Max. By the end, I would. Okay. Oh my god. Piccadilly Circus. This ice cream man needs to actually chill. Oh god, it's literally driving me insane. It's driving me insane. But if you're looking for work, hell, you should come around.
Swish, swish, bish.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy the sunshine if you're in the UK. I don't know when actually I'm going to post this, so don't worry about that. But anyway, please give this video a like if you liked it. Please, because I upload twice a week, make sure you are subscribed. Please give this video a like. And yeah, come and join us over on TikTok. Please come, and if you like this video, please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future. No? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you whack that notification but no. Okay. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this 120,000 stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, stay safe and make sure you whack that notification bell on. Oh, because I don't know twice a week. Just to save the mess. Oh god. How long have I been talking for? I think that's long enough. Like 10. No one wants your ice cream, hun. How do I turn the camera off?